4 a.m. They're keeping the tent from getting torn up.
First of all, thanks to all of you for coming out here. We appreciate the support. If you haven't heard, I'm sure a number of you have, but for the rest of you that haven't heard, Kyle LeDuc, 7-time Pro 4 champ, 8-time off-road champ, is fighting for his life with stage 4 cancer. It's head and neck cancer. It was diagnosed actually last November. So he's been digging in. Spoke to him last week. He's in great spirits. He's tough as nails and digging through it. I said something to Jason Robinette, and Jason had a bunch of stickers made. So it's certainly not a mandatory thing, but if you drivers don't mind putting one on your car, it certainly sends a lot of support, a nice message back to Kyle, keeps him digging. You can also go to a website if you want to purchase some merchandise. It's 99duc, 99duc.com. So he has a website there, and he has a lot of merchandise, LeDuc Strong, so you can purchase some stuff there, and of course the proceeds go right to him.
It is what it is. So essentially what we want to do is, in order to keep the continuity of all the scheduling and all the things that are going on, is tomorrow's schedule will remain the same, with the exception that we will put in some practice in the morning at 8 o'clock. So we'll
Tell me what's going on.
I'm thinking a lot, Don. Look at all
What?
pork, brisket, mac and cheese, beans, salad, veggies, and race car driver. And a guy trying to drink off the pain of sucking.
I just thought if you were drunk, you'd be driving a little bit.
You can see what is going on. That bull is not wanting to stay and give him a chance and an opportunity. And we don't want him to get that bull real tight. Get in position, get our legs down, and give us the ultimate shot out of it right
We
now.
are at Visions
Give him
2023.
something else to think
This
about
is
as
TK
Wyatt
Pro Rodeo happening
will
right
move
now.
and
And right
tie
after
his
this, we got
hand to the
Tim
back of this
Montana on the
bull.
main stage. Woo.